Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey through our cosmic backyard. Let's explore the top 10 mysteries of our solar system that have continued to baffle scientists. I'm your host Taylor, and this is You Should Be Scared, your number one destination for everything mysterious and unexplained. Join me as we travel from the scorching surface of the Sun to the icy depths of the Kuiper Belt. Our solar system is a vast playground of celestial wonders, harboring secrets that have intrigued humanity for centuries. We'll delve into enigmatic moons and strange atmospheric phenomena, and even the possibility of a hidden planet lurking beyond Neptune. So buckle up, space cadets, as we set out to uncover the secrets of our cosmic neighborhood. Number 10. Water on the Moon. Our first stop takes us to our celestial companion, the Moon. For centuries, we envisioned it as a desolate, arid world, devoid of the life-giving elixir, water. But recent discoveries have turned that notion on its head. Using advanced instruments like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, scientists have confirmed the presence of water ice lurking in the permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. This discovery has sparked intense excitement among scientists and space enthusiasts. Imagine the possibilities. Lunar water could be a game changer for future human missions, providing a vital resource for astronauts and potentially even fueling rockets for further exploration. But where did this lunar water come from? Some theories suggest it was delivered by comets and asteroids bombarding the Moon's surface over billions of years. Others propose it might be ancient, originating from the Moon's formation. The mystery of lunar water is far from solved. A hidden planet. Our solar system is a dynamic and ever-evolving place, and in recent years astronomers have been finding tantalizing hints that there might be more planets out there than we ever imagined. The evidence lies in the peculiar orbital patterns of some distant objects, particularly in a region beyond Neptune that is teeming with icy bodies called the Kuiper Belt. These objects seem to be influenced by the gravitational pull of something massive, something unseen. Enter Planet 9, a hypothetical world thought to be about 10 times the mass of Earth and orbiting our Sun far beyond Pluto. This elusive giant, if it exists, could help explain the gravitational anomalies observed in the Kuiper Belt. The search for Planet 9 is a thrilling endeavor, pushing the limits of our telescopes and our understanding of the cosmos. Will we find it, adding a new member to our solar system's family portrait? Only time will tell. Number 8. A sideways world. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is a bit of an oddball. With an axial tilt of 98 degrees, the planet is practically lying on its side. Imagine a world rolling around the Sun like a cosmic marble. We're not entirely sure what caused this strange tilt. One theory suggests a massive collision early in the solar system's history, which could also explain the formation of Uranus's rings and moons. But the weirdness doesn't end there. Its atmosphere contains methane, giving it a blue-green hue, and it has extreme wind speeds, reaching up to 560 miles per hour. Also, its magnetic field is just as peculiar as its tilt. The tilt creates a lopsided magnetic field that wobbles as the planet rotates. How's that for a cosmic mystery? Number 7. The coronal heating problem. Our Sun, a giant ball of burning plasma, is a fascinating object. We know it's hot, but here's a cosmic conundrum. The Sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, is hundreds of times hotter than its surface. We're talking about temperatures exceeding 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, while the Sun's surface simmers at a mere 5,500 degrees Celsius. It's like a campfire where the air around the flames is somehow hotter than the flames themselves. This counterintuitive phenomenon has baffled astronomers for decades and is known as the coronal heating problem. How does the Sun transfer energy to its outer atmosphere and heat it to such extreme temperatures? There are several theories attempting to unravel this mystery. One suggests that the Sun's magnetic field lines, which act like colossal rubber bands, snap and release energy, heating the corona. Another proposes that countless tiny explosions on the Sun's surface, called nanoflares, collectively release enough energy to heat the corona. Solving the coronal heating problem is crucial for understanding not only our Sun, but also the behavior of stars throughout the universe. Number 6. A visitor from beyond. In 2017, our solar system received a surprise visitor from interstellar space, Oumuamua. This enigmatic object zipped past the Sun at an astonishing speed following a hyperbolic trajectory. Observations revealed Oumuamua was highly elongated, resembling a giant cosmic cigar. Its reddish hue suggested exposure to interstellar radiation for millions of years. But what truly set Oumuamua apart was its unexpected acceleration away from the Sun. Some proposed it could be an alien artifact, perhaps a defunct solar sail. While its true nature remains a mystery, Oumuamua's visit opened our eyes to the vastness of the cosmos. Number 5. Saturn's hexagonal storm. Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system, is a planet full of wonders, but few things pique the curiosity of us science-minded folk quite like the persistent hexagon-shaped storm swirling at its north pole. I mean, talk about thinking outside the box, or should I say, inside the Hexagon. Discovered in the 1980s by the Voyager mission, this atmospheric feature is unlike anything else we've observed in our cosmic neighborhood. This isn't just some fleeting phenomenon, mind you. This hexagon, large enough to swallow Earth 4 times over, has persisted for decades, if not centuries. The jet stream winds whipping around this geometric marvel clock in at over 200 miles per hour. Now, we understand that atmospheric currents can create swirling vortices, but a hexagon? That's some next-level fluid dynamics. Scientists are still trying to wrap their heads around the precise mechanisms driving this bizarre atmospheric ballet. Is it a product of Saturn's internal heat? Could it be influenced by the planet's rotation? Or is there some unseen force shaping these perfectly straight sides? The answers remain elusive, making Saturn's hexagon a tantalizing enigma and a testament to the universe's endless capacity to surprise us. Number 4. The Kuiper Belt. Beyond the orbit of Neptune, in the cold, dark depths of our solar system, lies a vast and mysterious region called the Kuiper Belt. This donut-shaped ring of icy bodies, remnants from the earliest days of our solar system's formation, is like a cosmic graveyard, preserving clues about our cosmic origins. It's a region teeming with icy objects, ranging in size from small mountain-sized chunks to dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, and Makemake. These icy relics are time capsules, remnants of the primordial disk of gas and dust that birthed our planets. But here's the thing about the Kuiper Belt that really gets astronomers scratching their heads: the colour variation. Some objects are reddish, hinting at the presence of organic molecules, whilst others are surprisingly blue. This diversity in composition suggests a complex and dynamic history, possibly shaped by collisions, gravitational interactions, and even the influence of unseen planets. Understanding the Kuiper Belt is about more than just satisfying our cosmic curiosity. By studying these icy remnants, we can piece together the story of our own solar system's formation and gain insights into the processes that might be shaping planetary systems around other stars. Number 3. The Oort Cloud. Now, if the Kuiper Belt is the outer suburbs of our solar system, then the Oort Cloud is the truly distant frontier. Imagine this: a colossal spherical shell enveloping our entire solar system, a cosmic bubble stretching halfway to the nearest star. This, my friends, is the Oort Cloud. home to trillions, perhaps even quadrillions of icy bodies. Unlike the well-defined structure of the Kuiper Belt, the Oort Cloud is a vast and diffuse realm. It's a realm so distant that its very existence is merely inferred from the long-period comets that sometimes grace our skies. Those icy wanderers with orbits spanning thousands, even millions of years. These comets are flung inwards from the Oort Cloud by gravitational nudges from passing stars or galactic tides. They are messengers from the outermost reaches of our Sun's gravitational domain. Their composition, their trajectories, they all hold tantalizing clues about the conditions under which our solar system formed. But the Oort Cloud is more than just a source of cosmic snowballs. It's a relic of the early solar system, a repository of the primordial material that didn't coalesce into planets. It whispers of the Sun's formation, perhaps even hinting at the chaotic dance of young stars in a long-gone stellar nursery. Number 2. Venus. Now then, my galactic explorers, our next cosmic enigma brings us to Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin. Now you might think, twin? Venus is a scorching inferno, and you'd be right. But beneath that thick, toxic atmosphere lies a rocky planet remarkably similar in size and composition to our own. So, what went wrong? Well, for starters, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. Imagine the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. But how did this happen? Theories range from a massive collision in its early history to gravitational interactions with the sun. But wait, there's more. Venus boasts the hottest surface temperatures of any planet in our solar system, reaching a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat is caused by a runaway greenhouse effect, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that keeps our own planet habitable. And yet, amidst this hellish landscape, some scientists speculate about the possibility of life, not on the surface but high in the Venusian atmosphere. Could there be microbial life forms thriving in the cooler, more temperate clouds? It's a tantalizing thought that future missions to Venus might just answer. Number 1. The moons of Mars. Our final stop on this cosmic journey takes us to the red planet, Mars, and its enigmatic companions, Phobos and Deimos. Now, unlike our own stately moon, these two are tiny potato-shaped objects that look more like asteroids than moons, and that's where the mystery begins. See, the leading theory about their origin is that they're actually captured asteroids, snagged by Mars' gravity billions of years ago. Here's the thing. Their orbits are strangely circular and lie almost perfectly on Mars's equatorial plane. This is highly unusual for captured objects, which tend to have more eccentric and inclined orbits. Adding to the intrigue, Phobos, the larger of the two, is on a collision course with Mars. Don't worry, it's not happening anytime soon. It's slowly spiraling inwards, and in about 50 million years, it will either crash into Mars or be torn apart by its gravity, creating a faint ring system. These Martian moons might be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to unanswered questions. Are they captured asteroids, or did they form alongside Mars? What secrets do they hold about the early solar system? Future missions to study these enigmatic objects up close might just rewrite our understanding of planetary formation. From the icy plains of the Moon to the swirling clouds of Venus, we've journeyed through our solar system, uncovering some of its most captivating mysteries. We've encountered bizarre storms and even the possibility of a ninth planet lurking in the distant reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders yet to be discovered. Well then, you spooky lot, there you have it. another strange and mystifying case. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again soon for more mysteries. Maybe you're not ready for the journey to end? If so, why not click on one of the videos on the screen now? Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay tuned for more mysteries. And remember, you should be scared.